Hello students, today I am going to discuss a grade 7 revision paper for the upcoming first term test. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, quickly do it. Then you can get many videos like this. Question number 1, part A, first question. Write all possible ways of writing 24 as a product of two factors. A part. First question. We can write 24 as 1 multiplied by 24. Then 24 is divisible by 2. Then we can write 2 times 12. Then 24 is divisible by 3. Then we can write 3 times 8. Then 24 is divisible by 4. We can write 4 multiplied by 6. These are the all ways of writing 24 as a product of two factors. Then second question, write all factors of 24. What are all factors? From this we can take the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the all factors of 24. Then question number 3. Write 48 as a product of prime factors. 48. We have to divide 48 from the prime numbers. The first prime is 2. We are starting from 2 then. 2 times 24. Then again divide by 2. 2 times 12. Again by 2. 2 times 6. Again by 2. 2 times 3. Now 3 is not divisible by 2. Then take the next prime number. That is 3. 3 times 1. Until you get 1 here, you have to repeat the division. Then we can write 48 as, how many 2's are there? 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is the answer for that. Then B part. In B part, we are asking find the HCF of 12, 24, 36 using the method of division. 12, 24, 36. We are taking the HCF. We have to select the prime number in which all these numbers are divisible by. That we can take 2. 2 times, then 6, 12, 18. Now all are divisible by 2. Then 2 times 3, 6, then 9. Now all are not divisible by 2, but all are divisible by 3. Then take 3. 3 times 1, then 2, 3. Now we can't find any prime number in which all the numbers are divisible by. So you have to stop the division. Now we can take the HCF here. HCF is equal to the multiplication of these numbers. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Then that is 12. HCF of 12, 24, 36 is 12. C part in the question, find the LCM of 12, 24 and 36. Here also we can use the division method. First we will start from the first prime number 2. 2 times 6, 12, then 18. Then again we can divide by 2 because each number is divisible by 2. 2 times 3, then 6, 9. Still we can divide by 2 because 6 is divisible by 2. 2 times 3 is not divisible, so we have to write that. 2 times 3, Then 9 is also not divisible, so you have to write. Then we can take the next prime number 3. 3 times 1, 1, 3. Again we can divide by 3 because this is divisible by 3. 3 times 1, 1, 1. Until you take get 1 here, you have to repeat the division. Now LCM. LCM is equal to the multiplication of these numbers. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Here 8. 3 times 3 is 9. So 72 is the LCM of these numbers. Question number 2. Amaya's date of birth is 2010 4 2. Then her sister Nathalie's date of birth is 2008 13. First question. To which decade does Nathalie's date of birth belong? Nathalie's birth year is 2000. So we'll take here 2000. As we find need to find decade, we have to divide 2000 by 10. Then that is equal to 200. So this belongs to 200th decade. Then second question, to which century does Amaya's date of birth belong? Amaya's birth year is 2010. 2010 is divisible, should be divided by 100. Then the answer is 20.1. As this is greater than 20, we have to take 21st century as the answer. So 21st century is the answer for the second part here. Then question number 3. How much older is Nathalie than Amaya? We have to take the difference between the date of births in years, months and date. Here 2010, 2010, then 4 month, 4 month, 2. Then you have to subtract 2008 You can't subtract 13 from 2. So you have to take 1 from the month's side. Then it becomes 32 here. Now here 3 months. 32 minus 30. 12 minus 3 is 9. Then here 2 minus 1, 1. Then here what is the... you can't subtract 8 from 3. So you have to take 1 from this side. Then this becomes 2009. Then this becomes 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. Then 2009 minus 2000 is 9. So the difference is 9 years, 7 months and 19 days. Here this should be days, not date. This is for third part here. Then fourth part, Amaya's mother is 25 years, 8 months, 25 days elder than Amaya. Find the date of birth, date of born of Amaya's mother. Amaya. Amaya's birthday is here. Then we have to subtract this time difference from Amaya's birthday. Let's take here year, then month, days. 2010, then 4, 2. Then the time difference is 25 years, 8 months, 25 days. We have to subtract that. Here also we can't subtract 25 from 2. So you have to take 1 month from the month side. It becomes 32. Then this is 3. 32 minus 25, that is 7. Here also you have to take 1 from year side, then it becomes 15. And this is 2009 now. Now subtract this one, 7 months. Then 9 minus 5 is 4. Then 200 minus 2 is 198. So this is the birth year. Birth year of Amaya's mother is 109,084. Then 7, 7. Then question number 5. Amaya's father was born in 1978. Name the members of Amaya's family who birth in a leap year. Who born in a leap year. That should be. 1978. 78 is not divisible by 4 because the number formed by the last 2 digits is not divisible by 4. So you can't take it as a leap year. Then 2000 is a leap year because that is divisible by 400. 2010 also not divisible by 4. So you have to take Natali is born in a leap year. Then mother also born in a leap year because 84 is divisible by 4. Natali and mother. These are the members. Then question number 6. Indicate 225 days in months and days. Question number 6. Yes. 225 days. We have to separate it into months and days. 225. We can take how many 30s are there. 30 multiplied by 10 is 300. Then we'll take 30 multiplied by 7. That is 210. We can separate this into 200 days plus 15 days. Then we can write 200 days as 7 months. 7 months, 15 days. This is the answer. Question number 3. A part. Find the value of the following using the number line. First one we are given -5 plus -3. A part. First question. -5 plus -3. First we have to draw a number line according to the given directed numbers. Let's take a number line like this. I'll mark 0 here as all the 2 numbers are negative numbers here. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. Then here +1, +2, +3. Enough. Then first we have to mark -5 here. -5 should be marked with a small dot like this. Then this is addition. As this is addition, we have to take the same direction of the second directed number. The magnitude is 3. So we have to move 3 units to the negative direction. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is minus 8. Answer minus 8. Then we'll go to the second question. Minus 4 plus 1. Second one. Minus 4 plus 1. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. When you are drawing the number line, the gap between each consecutive number should be equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. First let's mark minus 3 in the number line. Then as this is addition, we have to move 1 unit to the positive direction. The direction of the second directed number is positive. So we have to move 1 unit to the positive direction. Then the answer is minus 3. Minus 3 is the answer. B part, we are given to simplify this. First question, minus 9 plus 5. So how to take the answer here? The two directed numbers are with opposite signs. So we have to take the two magnitudes. Here the magnitude is 9, here magnitude is 5. So what is the difference between the two magnitudes? 9 minus 5 is 4. Then we have to take the sign of the largest magnitude, that is minus. So minus 4 is the answer. Then second one, we are given this plus 3 over 7 plus minus 1 over 7. As the two fractions are with the same denominators, that is easy. Here also we have to take the difference between the two magnitudes. 3 over 7 minus 1 over 7 is 2 over 7. Then you have to take the sign with the largest magnitude, plus sign. Plus 2 over 7 is the answer. Number 3, you are given this plus 1 over 5 plus minus 1 over 5. As the two directed numbers are with the same magnitude but with different signs, the answer is 0 here. If you take the difference between the two magnitudes, 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5 is 0. Then number 4, you are given two decimals. Minus 3.88 plus 5.23. Here also the same procedure. You have to take the difference between the two magnitudes. For that, I have to subtract 3.88 from 5.23. I will do it here. 5.23 minus 3.88. When we are doing the addition or subtraction of with decimal numbers, we have to write the decimal point one below the other, and the two decimal places also one below the other. Then how to do the subtraction here? 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. Then here 11. 1 is remaining. 11 minus 8 is 3. Then put the decimal point here. Then here the remaining is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then 1.35 is the answer. Then what is the sign? We have to take the sign with the largest magnitude, that is plus sign. 1.35. No need to put the plus sign here. We can write it as 1.35. C part. Y is the set of integers between minus 3 and 2. List out the elements of set Y in curly brackets. We have to write the elements of the set y within curly brackets. Integers between minus 3 and 2. As we are given with between, you can't take minus 3 or 2. Then what are the integers between minus 3 and 2? Plus 2. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. You have to close the bracket here. Question number 4, first part. Find the value and the power when base and index of 2 to the power 3 is changed with one another. In the power 2 to the power 3, the base is 2 and index is 3. So, if you change the base and the power, we can write it as 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2. To take the value, we have to expand this. 3 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 9. Then second question, write 56 as a product of power of prime factors. To take that, we have to divide 56 by the prime numbers. First prime is 2. So you have to start from 2. 2 times 28. Then again divide by 2. 2 times 14. Again you can divide by 2. 2 times 7. Now you can't divide by 2. 2, 3 or 5. Then the next prime is 7. Take 7. 7 times 1. Until you get 1 here, you have to repeat the division. Now you have to write this as a product of prime factors. For that you can write 56 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Product of power of prime factors. Then you have to write it as a power. 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 7 to the power 1. Then third question, find the value of 5 to the power 2 times 2 to the power 2. 5 to the power 2 times 2 to the power 2. You have to expand this. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 5 times 5 is 25. 2 times 2 is 4. So the answer is 100. Then question number 4. I'll write it here. If x equals 3 and y equals 4. X equals 3, y equals 4. Find the value of 2x to the power 3, y to the power 2. 2x to the power 3, y to the power 2. You have to substitute the given values for x and y here. 2 times x is 3, 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 4 to the power 2. Now you have to expand the powers. 3 times 3 times 3 multiplied by 4 times 4. Now let's multiply the given numbers. Here 2. Then here what is the answer? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Then 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 32 should be multiplied by 27. Let's take it. 32. Let's multiply 27 by 32. 27 multiplied by 32. 2 times 7 is 14. Then 1 is remaining. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 3 times 27. 3 times 7 is 21. 2 is remaining. 3 times 2 6 plus 2 is 8. Then what is the answer? 864 is the final answer. Question number 5. A part. The fixed fare of a taxi service is 200 rupees and 60 rupees will be charged for 1 kilometer. First question. Write down the mathematical expression for the amount paid by Kasun who travelled 25 kilometers by the taxi. How to write the expression? The initial fee. is 200 rupees. So 200 plus, then how many kilometers? 25 kilometers. Then 25 should be multiplied by the price for 1 kilometer, that is 60. 25 multiplied by 60. Question number 2. Find the amount Kasun should pay for the taxi by simplifying the above expression. We can simplify this one. 200 plus 25 times 60. 6 times 5 is 30. 3 is remaining. 6 times 2, 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. You have to put another 0 here. So take the addition of these two. That is 1700. Then B part. We are given to simplify these two expressions. 30 multiplied by 10. Then divide by 5. Again multiplication by 2. What is the operation that we have to perform first? When we are having multiplications and divisions in a mathematical expression, we have to perform the operations from the left side to right side. So this operation should be performed first. 30 multiplied by 10 is 300. Then divide by 5 multiplied by 2. Next operation is the division. 300 divided by 5 is 60. Then again multiplying by 2. Then the answer is 120. Then in second expression, we are given this 20 minus 3 times, then within bracket we have 7 plus 1. Divide by 6. In this expression, the mathematical operation inside the bracket should be performed first. So you have to write this 20 minus 3 times, then the bracket means a multiplication. 7 plus 1 is 8, then divide by 6. Now what is the operation we are performing first? We have a subtraction also. Before doing the subtraction, you have to perform this multiplication and division first. 20 minus 8 times 3 is 24, divide by 6. 20 minus, then you have to perform this division. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Then 20 minus 4 is 16. 16 is the answer. C part in the question. Classify the following angles according to their magnitudes. First one, 180. What is the type of the angle? This is a straight angle. Straight angle. The next one, 200. The angle 200 degrees is greater than a straight angle. So, this is a reflex angle. The next one, 350. That is also greater than 180. That is also reflex angle. Then next, 45 degrees. This is smaller than, less than 90 degrees. So, acute angle. Next, 85 degrees. That is also less than 90 degrees. So, acute angle. These are the answers for that.